Okay, the EnviroSolve is a belly degreaser. This is something you'd use to get all the oil, all the fuel, all the exhaust that accumulates on the belly of an airplane, and it works a whole lot faster than using any typical degreaser. You just spray it on in a trigger like this, let it sit about a minute, get a rag and wipe. And you're going to see how easy it is to get the accumulation of all of those different substances off the belly of an airplane. I mean, you can see all the hoses that are shooting stuff on the belly of the airplane here. This is about the fastest way to clean. It's a great application for people with obviously small airplanes like this, people that have aerial applicators / crop dusters. They get a lot of combination of fuel and fertilizers and pesticides on the bellies of the airplane. And this is something that cleans all that off of there really nicely and really quickly. You know, I always tell people, you know that crud you get on the belly of your airplane that's real hard to get off? This will take it off faster than anything else.